everyone, welcome to New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic once again. So today I'm here with a patient of mine who has completed 7 months post his hair transplant. Now I want to show to you his results and the before pictures of him and the patient himself after the surgery. So as you can take a look at his before pictures, a person can understand whether he'll get full coverage or whether it'll be half coverage. Now since this patient with us has done his surgery in 2 days, divided in 2 days, that helped us to understand where all his existing hairs are, where all his coverage can be maintained till, and where all we can reach. Since we had done a surgery in 2 days, the front area, as I showed you, had quite dense hairline, and as you can see, his hairline is quite good and it doesn't look unnatural but natural itself. Results that a person can achieve, the hairline that should be maintained and designed, plus the care that a person should take during the course of medicines and after hair transplant. As you can see, we have given him a good coverage, plus the density is quite good. Now, speaking about the density, when you are looking at a density, the density should be quite good in the front area. Now when you look at a person front on, you look at him front on, not from above, from the side or below, but the front visual appearance is quite main in designing a hairline and keeping a hairline natural looking. So while designing the hairline and while creating the hairline, what we tend to do is we use the single graft in the front row of the hairline, the double and triple in the back. What does this do? It helps in quite a natural look, in attaining quite a natural look. Plus, you won't be able to make out whether the person has undergone a hair transplant or it is naturally with him by medicines or by birth. Now, speaking about density, the main thing that comes to mind is the donor area. Depending upon the donor area, a person can understand whether he'll get full coverage or whether it'll be half coverage. Now, since this patient with us has done his surgery in 2 days, divided in 2 days, that helped us to understand where all his existing hairs are, where all his coverage can be maintained till, and where all we can reach with his donor area in mind. Now, the donor area should be quite good. Either we do the surgery in 2 parts, that helps us in deciding how much coverage and how much density we can achieve. So that's it for today, and looking forward to making a new video and having you all educated on another topic of hair transplant. Thank you so much.